Hey, Scupperter here. If you're finding that your soldering iron is not holding solder on the tip and it's kind of hanging out more on the side, what you might want to do is try retinning the tip. You literally can pick up a thing of tip tinner. And of course, if you're not already using this kind of like steel wool scouring pad as opposed to a wet sponge, you should. I find, and I've heard from a lot of people, that a wet sponge, that change in temperature, could actually cause cracking on the tip of your soldering tips. So switch to something like this. As for tip tinner, let's see if we can kind of get a better look in what's going on here. So it's like a pack of it's like crystals. There's some sort of cleaning chemical in here, and whatever the compounds are that can tin your tip, and just roll it around in there. You can get it all the way up the tip, and let the chemical work and burn itself off. Clean it off. And I'm going to tell you that much like when you paint with a paintbrush, you're not expected to use the entire surface, right? You just want to use the tip. So that's where the action is. Now, if you need like a larger surface area, you can get a wider tip, maybe something with a chisel. But that's how that goes. And of course, my final tip here is if you're storing or when you're done, after you've cleaned off your soldering tip, put some fresh solder on the end and hold it upright so that the tip all drips down to the tip, and then turn it off and let it cool with that fresh solder on there. Comments, questions? Thank you for watching.